Good afternoon, Miss.
Good afternoon, Miss.
Today we are going to do evaluation. I will evaluate from the vocabulary list that you have made and then from the homework. So I will start from the vocabulary. Apa itu kendala? IPAS.
Kendala itu adalah suatu hal yang menjadi penghambat dalam sebuah kemajuan, Miss. Nah, dari penjelasan panjangnya, kendala itu adalah suatu hal yang menjadi penghambat ketika kita mau melakukan suatu kemajuan, baik itu kendala dalam penghambat dalam suatu aktivitas atau dalam suatu tujuan, seperti itu, Miss.
Semak.
Semak adalah tumbuhan berbatang kecil dan bercabang. Nah, semak itu adalah tumbuhan yang memiliki jenis batang yang berukuran kecil, namun dia memiliki cabang yang banyak, seperti itu.
Dia sering digunakan dalam apa?
Semak, Mas. Sering digunakan di dalam.
Sering digunakan untuk apa, dalam apa gitu?
Semak jenis batangnya ya, Miss. Jenis tumbuhan semak ini biasanya sering digunakan dalam pengolahan makanan.
Olahan makanan?
Ya, kayak misalnya kan kalau di buku, Miss, kalau tumbuhan semak itu kan seperti daun teh. Kalau di buku ya, Miss, semak itu seperti daun teh atau seperti melati. Nah, itu biasanya bisa diolah menjadi sebuah makanan atau sebuah obat-obatan, seperti itu, Miss.
Semak.
Ya.
Semak untuk obat-obatan.
Maksudnya jenis batangnya, Miss, jenis tumbuhannya. Tumbuhannya berbentuk seperti semak. Tetapi kalau untuk hasil tumbuhannya, Miss.
Masalahnya, kenapa saya tidak terima? Karena apa yang Miss jelaskan itu berbeda dengan apa penjelasan di sini. Mana yang benarnya sebenarnya? Ini perlu Miss baca lagi ya tentang semak ini.
Baik, Miss.
Bahasa Indonesia. Nafkah, apa itu nafkah?
Nafkah itu adalah dukungan keuangan dalam keluarga. Nah, nafkah itu adalah sebuah dukungan keuangan untuk kita anggota keluarga, seperti ketika untuk mencukupi biaya pendidikan, biaya untuk kebutuhan makan dan lain sebagainya. Nah, jadi itu yang dimaksud dengan nafkah.
Oven.
Oven itu adalah alat untuk memanggang makanan. Nah, oven itu adalah alat dapur yang biasanya digunakan untuk memanggang ataupun memanaskan makanan.
Seperti apa itu ovennya?
Seperti contohnya seperti microwave, lalu seperti oven.
Alright, now we move to health education. What is soundly?
Soundly is when you sleep deeply and soundly you sleep deeply. When you sleep you feel deeply and penjelasannya, Miss, soundly is when you sleep deeply and you feel comfort, like that, Miss. You feel with your you feel
What do you mean?
like this, Miss. Soundly is tidur yang nyenyak. When you sleep, you sleep in deeply. Kamu tidur dengan lelap, seperti itu, Miss. No, you don't have sound like that.
Tight.
Tight is close together and cannot move. Uh, type type is when you use something with clothes and fit to your body, and then uh, you don't have in your body don't have space to make it move like that.
English now. Cross.
Cross is two lines cross each other.
Each other.
Each other. Cross is a shape created by when two lines cross each other, and this one you can find in many places. In many places.
Many places.
Yes, miss.
In many places.
In many places.
Like what?
Um, like like in the like in the like like in the road, like in
On the road.
yeah, on the road, like that.
Like like what again? Where again?
What in the school, like that.
Computer games.
Computer games. Computer games is play game on the computer. Play games, miss.
Additional explanation.
Play games, right? Play games is
Computer games.
computer games, like okay. Computer games is play game on the computer, and play computer games is fun activity on the computer. That means you can play the game on the
For
computer.
example.
For example, aku kemarin bilangnya miss, you can play Mobile Legend like that miss on the computer, and then you can play Cooking Mama in the computer like that. Kemarin saya bilang gitu miss.
Okay, Miss Cynthia. I mean, when we are doing the evaluation and then we speak in English, please try to speak in English fully.
Okay, miss.
Ya, when bahasa like bahasa Indonesia, IPAS, PPKN, we can speak in bahasa, right? But while the lessons or the subjects based on English, like computer, health education, science, English, we should speak in English. Even though we want to say something, oh, I forgot me yesterday, like that, we must say in English. Right. Now we move to computer, yeah. What is index finger?
Index finger is the finger we use to
We say finger, not finger.
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 Index finger is the finger used to pointing. Okay, the explanation is index finger. Finger. Index finger is
Let me show you, yeah, so that you can hear the sound.
sometimes I hear like fingerprint
Not
like
finger,
that.
not finger, miss.
Fingerprint.
Finger,
Finger.
finger,
Finger.
Finger. Finger.
Yes.
Yeah,
Finger, not ger, not z, but finger.
Finger.
Okay. For the additional explanation,
Additional explanation is index finger is it refers to use
it
for
refers.
it refers to use for pointing something to use with your hand like that.
Release. What is that?
Release, to let go of something. Release, it means like you let go, or you let go away for something or someone, and it also you can let go something when you hold an object with your hand like this.
Okay, we move to science. Harm.
Harm is a danger and injuring occur. Harm is when I explanation about with my student. When I explain with my student, harm is something dangerous to something dangerous and injure to someone or something. So, for example, you make a loud sound, you can harm your your ears friends, your friends ears. Like that means. And then when you push your hand, push your friend, you can harm your friend like that means. Because that is danger, right? Like that.
Sign.
Sign. Sign is a symbol for represent. A symbol for representation. No, representation. No, but sign is a symbol to share information. It's
Share information.
about representation.
Additional explanation.
Additional explanation is sign is you use sign is a symbol when you want to tell to another about information or about something. So you can use a sign like action. You do some action to share information to another people. Like if you want to say silent, you can make like this because there is a sign like that.
Reaches.
Reaches
From rich. Reaches.
from reach.
Reaches.
Reaches masukkan. No. Reaches.
What is reaches?
Reaches.
Quieter.
Quieter is quieter is a calm sound and a slow sound. That means a quieter is a silent or a calm sound for anything. For example, if you talk with your friends, you must make it quieter, lebih pelan gitu. Miss. For example, I speak in here and then you stand up in there. So I make a sound. So the sound will be quieter from the source like that. Miss. Near is something near is something around you. Near is this.
Additional explanation.
Near is something around you, like near Near is when you near is near is something um, something or someone. Maybe aku ngerti Miss, but I know but I cannot explain. Like near is distance in distance around you, something. How to explain about like this, Miss? Something distant and something around me like that, Miss.
Even for the great definition is different. So it means you don't read.
I read, Miss.
So
I read that. I talk with my best friend like that, Miss.
okay, additional explanation. What did you say just now? For near.
Near is near is um, near is um, near is something near it refer to
It refers
to something around you. The space is around you. The space is around you, and sometimes, for example, is spatial spatial physical distancing, and then for emotional with your friends, like, and you
oh my god. Okay, we move next.
blank. I'm so sorry.
PKN gemetar.
Gemetar adalah sebuah gerakan tremor seperti itu, Mas.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Penjelasan tambahannya adalah gemetar adalah sebuah gerakan yang bergerak dengan cepat yang disebabkan oleh bisa disebabkan oleh secara emosional, seperti gemetaran karena takut, seperti ketakutan, atau merasa seperti kedinginan. Cekatan adalah aktivitas yang berlangsung secara cepat, seperti itu, Miss.
Penjelasan tambahannya?
Penjelasan tambahannya adalah cekatan adalah suatu aktivitas yang dilaksanakan secara cepat dan lincah, seperti itu, Miss. Cacat adalah ketidaksempurnaan atau disabilitas. Cacat itu adalah suatu hal yang menunjukkan sesuatu yang tidak sempurna atau disabilitas atau kekurangan baik secara fisik ataupun suatu hal, seperti itu, Miss. Fisik adalah suatu aspek yang mencakup tubuh, seperti itu, Miss. Nah, fisik itu adalah suatu aspek yang mencakup hal yang ada di dalam tubuh kita. Nah, baik itu dalam tubuh kita, baik itu tangan, baik itu kepala, baik itu kaki. Nah, itu termasuk fisik kita, fisik tubuh kita, seperti itu.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan pepohonan?
Pepohonan adalah tumbuhan yang memiliki jenis batang yang besar dan kuat. Herba adalah tumbuhan yang memiliki batang kecil dan lunak, dan biasanya bisa digunakan, dan tumbuhan herba ini bisa digunakan sebagai obat-obatan atau sumber makanan.
Tumbuhan pemanjat?
Tumbuhan pemanjat adalah tumbuhan yang memiliki atau membutuhkan tumbuhan lain untuk menopang dirinya, seperti itu, Miss. Jadi tumbuhan ini tuh memanjat di atas, seperti di atas tongkat atau di atas tumbuhan lain, seperti itu, Miss.
Apa yang dihasilkan oleh biji kopi?
Yang dihasilkan oleh biji kopi adalah minuman kopi.
Bunga kapas?
Bunga kapas, contohnya pakaian, tekstil, seperti itu, Miss.
Daun teh?
Daun teh menghasilkan minuman teh.
Batang tebu?
Batang tebu menghasilkan gula.
Now we move to science. Why does the sound become quieter as you moved away from the source?
Because the sun will be weaker as it travel. Yes.
So if you're outside the classroom, how will the sound of knocking on the table sound?
Quieter.
What is sign language? Sign language.
Sign language is to give or to share information with your body
Using
using your hand.
what is the effect of the very loud sound?
Harm.
Harmful?
Oh, sorry. When you make a loud sound, you will harm your ears.
Sounds that travel further from their source will be heard.
What, Miss?
Sounds that travel further from their source will be heard.
Will be heard. Quieter.
So the throat in humans is the throat.
Oh yes, it's a source of sound.
Now we move to computer. How to hold the mouse correctly?
How to hold
The mouse
the
correctly.
mouse correctly. Okay. First of all, you can put your hand into the mouse, and then you put your index finger put your index finger on the left side of the mouse, and then your first two finger, your middle finger in the right side of the mouse, like that, Miss. And then you can move the mouse.
What is the main function of the mouse actually?
What is
What is the main function of the mouse?
function? To select and to choose information on the screen, on the computer.
To choose.
To select to select item on the computer.
To select item or program.
On the screen.
So it means that the answer is wrong here. The answer is not that.
To
All right. So what is the function of the scroll wheel on the mouse?
Scroll wheel from the mouse to move the page on the computer to up and down.
Further,
Yes, miss?
the function? Can you please repeat?
The function of scroll wheels is to move the page to up and down.
Okay, we move to PPKN. Apa yang harus kita lakukan dengan adanya keberagaman?
Saling menghargai, Mas.
Apa yang kita lakukan apabila ada teman kita yang memiliki kekurangan?
Berteman dengan mereka.
Coba Miss kasih contoh menghargai keberagaman.
Contoh menghargai keberagaman seperti di buku, Miss, kita di dalam kelas kita ada yang memiliki kekurangan, ada yang berkulit hitam, ada yang berkulit coklat, ada yang berkulit putih, ada yang gemuk, ada yang kurus. Nah, juga ada yang memiliki keberagaman agama, ada yang beragama Buddha, ada yang beragama Islam, ada yang beragama Kristen. Nah, kita tidak boleh untuk mengejek seperti itu, Miss. Contohnya kita menghargai keberagaman itu ya kita tidak boleh mengejek dengan adanya kekurangan itu, Miss. Baik itu secara kekurangan fisik ataupun secara kekurangan sifat seperti itu, Miss.
Okay, health education. What do we need for a good sleep?
For a good sleep, a clean blanket and a neat room.
What stops you from sleeping well?
A tight pajamas.
Why must we sleep well?
So we can do activity well.
So is it true when I sleep I don't want to use a blanket?
False.
Why?
Because when you coba diulang, repeat again.
When I sleep I don't want to use a blanket.
Yes.
Why do you say it is fail?
Yes.
It is fail. It is false.
Yes.
Sorry.
That is false because if you don't use your blanket, you will feel hot. Yes, you will feel cold. So and then when you use a blanket, you can sleep soundly like that.
I need to sleep well so I can do activities well. Is it true or false?
Yes, miss.
I need to sleep well so I can do activities well.
Yes, true.
Why?
Because if you have a sleep well, so you can do activity well, you have enough time to sleep.
Everything in my room is just right for me to sleep soundly. Is it true or false?
True, miss.
Why?
Because everything in your room can make you sleep soundly because you have a clean blanket to make you feel hot, and then you have loose pajamas. You can sleep. You can feel comfort when you sleep, and then you don't have hard sound in your room, so you can sleep soundly like that.
Okay then, I think enough for the evaluation for this week. For today, I mean. Um, I have asked some the questions from the subjects,
Okay, Miss.
and then actually for IPAS you need to learn again IPAS.
For vocabulary list.
Mm-mm.
Okay, Miss.
And then for science, you couldn't explain them well, even most of them. For homework, the computer, some of the answer, some of your answer, they are not same with the answer here. Okay, so I mean you should read also the homework so that so that I'm not confused which one that is correct, your explanation or the answer here, like that. And then why is it different? Why was it different? Your explanation with the homework. You made the homework, right? But why was it? Why was it different? Your answer with here for Bahasa Indonesia, English, computer, you could explain well. But for this one also, uh, health education,
Yes, Miss.
the additional explanation you couldn't explain well.
About family, right?
Yes, science, riches, and the near, and the sign. The sign, the definition is not same. And the near also, that's not based on the definition here. Riches also, you couldn't explain them well. I think you should repeat again, Miss.
Okay.
Okay, please repeat again on Saturday.
Okay, Miss.
Yeah. Okay, please study, Miss.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
Thank you, Miss.